Stuck Maytag Neptune washer door? Don't force it. This video covers safe manual release and fixes. We'll address common door lock issues and provide solutions to get your laundry moving again. Remember to disconnect power before any repair. To manually release a stuck Maytag Neptune washer door, start by unplugging the washer for safety. Then locate the small access panel on the front near the door lock. Next, use a flathead screwdriver to gently depress the release tab or insert it into the hole and push. You should hear a click, and the door should now open. If the door doesn't open, try again while applying gentle pressure to the door. Remember to always unplug the washer before attempting any repairs to avoid electrical hazards. The Maytag Neptune washer uses an electromagnetic door lock system. This system employs a solenoid and striker mechanism controlled by the control board. Common issues that cause doors to get stuck include worn solenoids, corrosion from moisture, and faulty control boards. A worn solenoid, after 5 to 10 years of use, can lead to incomplete locking or unlocking. Corrosion from moisture ingress causes electrical shorts in the components. A faulty control board may fail to send the necessary unlock signals, trapping the door shut. The door lock operates via an electromagnetic latch system controlled by the washer's main control board. When the cycle starts, the board sends a signal to the door lock solenoid, which engages a striker to secure the door. A microswitch detects the lock status, preventing operation if the door is ajar. Forcing the door open can damage seals and lead to leaks. If the manual release fails repeatedly, replacing the door lock assembly is often necessary. First, disconnect power to avoid electrical hazards. Access the lock by removing the top panel using screws or clips. Use a multimeter to test continuity on the components. Order the replacement assembly, part number 22004469, which costs $50 to $100 online. A faulty control board can prevent the unlock signal from reaching the door lock solenoid. When the wash cycle ends, the board should send voltage to the solenoid to release the latch. To test this, use a multimeter to check for voltage at the door lock solenoid when the cycle should end. First, ensure the washer is unplugged for safety. Next, access the control board, usually located behind the control panel. Set your multimeter to measure DC voltage. Consult the repair manual for the specific testing points on the board. Probe the wires going to the solenoid. Start a short cycle and watch for voltage when it should unlock. Normal voltage is around 12 to 24 volts DC. If no voltage appears, the control board likely needs replacement. Always refer to the manual for your model. Appliance repair experts estimate that 40 to 60% of Neptune washer malfunctions stem from door lock issues. To prevent future problems, inspect moisture-prone areas annually. Consider applying a water-resistant sealant around the door seal. Avoiding overloading the washer also reduces strain on the lock mechanism. Looking ahead, Maytag is integrating advanced technologies to improve washer reliability. By 2030, AI diagnostics will be standard in all new washers, providing predictive alerts for potential lock issues before they occur. Self-healing materials in lock components will help resist corrosion from moisture, potentially reducing failure rates by up to 50% and extending the life of these components. IoT-enabled appliances will allow remote unlocking through smartphone apps, minimizing the need for manual interventions and making repairs more convenient. These advancements represent the future of appliance technology, focusing on prevention and user convenience. Keep an eye on these developments as Maytag continues to innovate.